Hi, this is the Yoga Smart tab and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. Let's first open the control panel, and here you'll see all of the visible options. If you want to add here more options or remove some of the available icons or just to change their positions, you should click here to this edit one, and here you'll see this down section with invisible options. Just to add them to your panel, you should hold the icon and drag it to the subsection. To remove them from here, hold the icon and drag it to this down. And just to change the positions of the icons on the panel, you should just hold it and drag it. To reset the changes, click to the three dots and tap to reset, or to save them, click to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.